Hallo Leute, herzlich willkommen. So welcome to our full Goethe A1 speaking course. So this full course I have divided into separate videos. So we'll see one by one, step by step, how you can pass Goethe A1 speaking module, you can say. Okay, what is the pattern of speaking module and how to solve the tasks. So on my channel, there is this full A1 writing course also, Schreiben. Okay, and this is obviously expression. So do subscribe to my channel if you are preparing for Goethe A1. So I'll be sharing all this course material, courses, sample exam papers, and so on. So let's start now. I'll share one screen with you. So you will get to know how this speaking module looks like, you can say, or what is the pattern. So this is intro video. So here I'll just explain you the pattern and then we'll see step by step how to go through it. So now this course introduction, what we are going to cover, it will come here. In this course, you will learn how to introduce yourself. So self-introduction is very, very important in Goethe A1, as all of you know. So step by step, we are going to see this, how to make requests and how to pass the Goethe A1 speaking exam confidently. Now, the speaking exam has three parts, right? It has three parts. First one is self introduction. Second one is asking and answering questions. And third one is making requests. Okay. So, right now, just understand that there are three parts. These are the three parts. And expression is obviously it will be a partner based activity. So you will have to ask your partner a few questions and you will have to answer to your partner's questions too. Okay. So this is just an introduction. In next video, we'll see step by step how to introduce yourself, asking questions, making requests, and so on. Okay. So pattern we are going to see now in next video. So that's all for today, friends. See you in next video. Thank you and bye-bye.